Hello students, today we will do the revision of chapter 4 for the second periodic exam. The name of the chapter is Satya, Watch Out. Okay, let's see. Satya can't stay still. He runs and jumps and spin and roll and falls. Okay, Satya is the name of that boy who can't stay quietly. He sometimes run, he sometimes jumping, sometimes rolling, then again roll and then he falls down. Okay, see. Sit quietly for a minute. Say Appa. Appa is the father of Satya. He is saying that sit quietly for a minute. Now see. If you get hurt, don't come crying to me. Say Akha. Akha is the sister of Satya. Is saying if you get hurt, then don't come crying to me. Okay. Don't you dare break anything. Say Thappa. Thappa is the grandfather of Satya. He said don't break anything. Okay. You are disturbing the class, says his teacher. This is the teacher. He is saying don't disturb the class. Okay. But what can Satya do if his hands and legs are always dancing? Okay. Satya is saying that how can I help myself? My hand and legs are dancing. See how his hands are moving, his legs are moving. Okay. So now see. Today is Sunday. Today is the Sunday. It's Satya's favorite day of the week. It is the favorite day of Satya's. Everyone's favorite day is Sunday. So Satya's favorite day is Sunday. Okay. The day he goes to the farm where Amma's work. Where Amma work. Amma means mother. Where Amma work. On the Sunday he goes to the farm where his Amma works. Okay. It's a long walk to the farm through secret up and down path, open fields, thick forest and gently flowing streams. Okay. It's a long, you have to walk, you have to see how they are walking. It is a long farm. You have to, sometimes it will be down, sometimes the farm will be up. It is in deep forest. Okay. And sometimes the water is flowing. Okay. Now see next. Satya hops like a hare and sprint like a deer. Okay. Sometimes he becomes a hare, means sometimes he is flying in the sky and sometimes he become like a deer. Okay, jumps like a deer. The mud is quick. See, squishy means wet and soft. Learn this meaning. Wet and soft. Be careful. Say Amma. Amma is saying be careful. Don't get fall. Okay, be careful because the mud is wet and soft. Okay. Now see next. What happened next? He crawls like an centipede and splitters like a snake. Okay. Sometimes he becomes like a small insect or sometimes he becomes like a snake and he look out for a thorns and he just says Amma. Okay. Looks out for the thorns and say Amma. Now see what happened. He swims like a spider and leaps like a longer. Okay, sometimes he becomes a spider and sometimes he becomes like a monkey who jumps from one tree to another. Yippee! Sometimes he going from one tree to another. Use the strong branches, my little monkey, says Amma. Amma is saying use the strong branches, the hard branches, so that you will not fall down. Okay. He paddles like a duck and swims like a frog. His legs has become like a duck and he's swimming like a frog. Okay. Stay in the shallow. Okay, says Amma. Shallow means a part of a river or pond that is not deep. Okay. His mother is saying don't go to the deep water, otherwise you will drown. You will not able to swim. He climbs like a lizard and jump like a goat. Don't sleep, says Amma. Again he become like a lizard. Okay, see how he is climbing. And then he jumps like a goat. See how he is jumping like a goat. his amma is saying, don't sleep, otherwise you will fall down. Now see next. What happened next? Satya flaps his arm like wings and tries to fly away. He imagines himself soaring and gliding like a vulture. Okay, loose means move sometimes. Sometimes he is going up and down. Okay, see how he is flying. How is he flying? See his hands. Okay, then he flies. See, he is flying, and then he becomes like a vulture, like that type of a bird. Okay, he imagines himself that he is flying like a vulture. Okay, learn these meanings. Moves up and down, flying high, moving smoothly. Later in the evening, when the sun sets and the cricket begins to hum, it's time to go home. Go home. Late in the evening. Now evening has gone, sun has drawn, sun has set. Now the cricket, small birds are flying and it's time to go home. Tired Satya climbs on to his mother's back. See how he is climbing on his mother's back. He returns through the ups and down paths, fields, forest and stream, and then he goes back to home. Again some up and down paths comes, fields comes, forest is coming and stream is coming, and then he goes back to home. Next, at home, Appa, Akka and Thappa takes one look at bushes and muddly Satya and burst into laughter. At the home, Appa, Akka and Thappa is looking at the Satya, who have got very scratches, marks, and then they started laughing. Okay, Thappa bathes him. Satya, Thappa is making bath to Satya. Then his Appa cooks him dinner, makes dinner for him. Okay, and Akka, the sister, tells him the favorite story as he falls asleep. Okay, in his dream, Satya runs and jumps and springs and roll. In the dream also, Satya is running, jumping, spinning and rolling. Okay, now see. And flies away. Okay, now see. The true false. Satya's Appa asks him to sit quietly. True. The answer is true. Appa tells Satya not to break anything. False. Satya's teacher asked him not to disturb the class. True. Satya goes to the farms on Sunday. True. Satya's Amma teaches in the school. False. Satya is an imaginative child. True. Okay. Why does everybody laugh at Satya? Why? Because he gets full of marks and become dry and he becomes very see. The answer is he become bruised and muddy, so everybody laughs in laughter. Next, does the writer talk about animals in this story? Yes. And the name of these animals are what are the animals? See here. First one is here, deer. Okay. Next, is crawls, snake, spider, longer. Then centipedes, snake. Then spiders, longer, monkey. Then duck, frog, lizards, goat. Okay. Then vulture, cricket. Okay. These are the animals. Is Satya like someone you know? How is he? No, I know. Okay. Where does the story takes place? The story takes place in where? In the farmer. What is the story about? Story is about the boy is dreaming how to swim, how to jump, run, scrolling, And is you were Satya, what animal would you prepare to like? What? Deer. Okay. I hope you all like the video. Thank you.